All right, what's up, guys? Super excited today. I'm going to be going over the Cathie Woods ARK Space Exploration and Index Fund. It's called ARKX, ticker symbol ARKX. And well, we've got some good things going on. So today, ARKX actually entered my buy territory, which is in between these two bearish price targets. I want to give you guys a breakdown basically of what's been going on with the stock. So right here, back on August 20th, ARKX initially gapped up and started this bullish run to its all-time highs at 21.33, and created this gap down to fill. Now all gaps fill about, I think, 95% of the time historically. So with that being said, I was waiting for ARKX to come back down here. Last time it did, I grabbed a couple shares, and I also did some calls and rode some of this momentum up here. And now we have come back down and we have finally filled this bearish gap right here, and also bounced, or it hasn't bounced yet, but I'm predicting it will bounce, and I'll show you why here in a second. But we're basically, I've had this line drawn here for a long time, support right here. And again, it's just a super strong support level. This could be what you call a double bottom, one bottom, then the stock trades, comes back down, double bottom. There tends to be a bounce there when that happens. We also have two daily gaps up to fill from right here, right around the $20 mark. And then we also have another daily gap to fill right here around the $21 mark. So those are the two gaps that I'm going to be playing. I currently have some ARK February calls that are down a little bit today because obviously it was red. But I got a lot of time on those. So I'm looking for that play. We'll go down here to the 1 hour chart. Okay, and I have an example here of some bullish divergence. Okay, let me zoom out a little bit more. It's going to be bullish divergence is when you have a higher low on the RSI right here, by indicated by these arrows. We have a higher low here, or this is our first low. Okay, stock went down in price action, created a lower low. Okay, our first low is right here, lower low is right here, but the RSI went from a lower low to a higher low. So that's what's called bullish divergence, and it's on the 1 hour time frame. So this is this would affect the price action of the stock within a short time frame. Okay, with that being said, you can also even see here the 1 hour gap on the 1 hour chart. We have a larger gap from 20.4 all the way down to 20.24. So the 1 hour gap is a little bit larger. Anyway, so with that being said, look for a bounce right here, and I'm pretty sure within the next day to 3 days, ARK is going to be somewhere back up here in this $20 mark. If not, that's okay. I will be looking to add some more positions. I think anything under 1950 for ARKX is definitely a great long-term position. The reason I say I'm mentioning it going below, even though I'm bullish on this stock short term, is because also I have a head and shoulders pattern charted out here. Now it has not formed yet, but this is just an example of what you want to do and what you want to look for. So I saw that, okay, we went up right here. This kind of looks like a left shoulder, right? And we bounced off this support level. So this could be our neckline, for instance. This would be our neckline. And we came up here, we made a head, came all the way back down. Now, if the stock bounces up and we're bullish and we rally up to here within the next week or month, then we would basically reevaluate. Okay, we would look for it to come here, and if we notice that it starts to pull back, you may want to exit your long positions. So you're saying, oh, hey, you know what, it could find support right here, it's pulling back, maybe now this is my stop loss, I'll get out this play and I'll go ahead and take profits because it potentially could try to form this head and shoulders pattern. And if it does, once we break this neckline, the stock would drop lower to 19, and who knows where exactly it will drop all the way to. But so basically, that's why I'm really excited about this. I think that there's some short-term possibilities for some bullish gains. And if not, these are definitely great areas, in my opinion, to hold the ARKX fund and grab some shares to hold long-term, a couple years. I personally think maybe ARKX will be at 100 in the next 5 years, maybe sooner. We all know how Cathie Woods funds do. So anyways, so we have a possible head and shoulders in the formation. Okay, we have 2 bullish gaps up. All right. So with those 2 bullish gaps up on the daily, and also an example of bullish divergence on a smaller time frame with a 1-hour chart, I think that ARKX is bound to pop here. And if you want to get some close expiration calls, or you want to get some far expiration calls, set some support and resistance levels that you're okay with, where you want to take profit at and where you want to enter at. Okay. That's it for today. If you guys have anything else you want me to drop, or you want me to look at, or examples or videos you want me to make, just let me know in the comments, and I'll try to get to making some content you guys want. Okay. Thank you.